Today in the kitchen I am making some spicy sweet potato wedges. So I just love this recipe because it's packed full with fresh ingredients and also lots of herbs and spices which not only add a lovely flavour but also they are packed full of antioxidants. So let me just show you how easy it really is. So firstly you need to cut your sweet potatoes into rough wedge shapes. So next, once your wedges are chopped and into a bowl, it's time to add all your other ingredients. So that is your extra virgin olive oil, your crushed garlic, your turmeric, your smoked paprika and herbamare for seasoning. Next it's time to get in with our hands and give your ingredients a good mix up, so don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Finally, once your wedges are thoroughly mixed, it's into an oven dish and into the oven preheated at 200 degrees Celsius for at least 40 minutes.